Hello traders, you're watching a review of the Asian session, and today we will start our recap with the news from the stock market. Over the last 2 years of the pandemic, we are already used to the fact that some events have an equal influence on various markets. For instance, movements in the US stock market have a big impact on foreign stock markets. Yesterday, the S&P 500 index slid into correction for the first time since the stock market crash of 2020 caused by the coronavirus pandemic. This can be an alarm bell, so it's not surprising that investors are wary. They are still dumping risky assets. Yesterday, the S&P 500 shed 1%, having started a correction. Analysts reckon that usually the correction begins after a 10% decline. The S&P 500 has already fallen by 10.25% due to geopolitical headwinds and the upcoming increase in the interest rate. The US dollar, on the contrary, is strengthening versus its rivals. Besides, its growth was fostered by positive economic reports. The US Composite PMI climbed to 56.0 in February from 51.1 a month earlier. The Manufacturing PMI Index rose to 57.5 from 55.5. While the Services PMI grew to 56.7 versus 51.2. This is why the greenback is steadily going up today. Apart from that, it enjoys a high demand as a safe haven asset. The US dollar index advanced by 0.1% yesterday. Now it's trading at 95.97. It's likely to stay in the range of 95.90 and 96.10 until new drivers appear. The yen reached a 3-week high. The dollar-yen pair appreciated by 0.07%. or 115.07. Its rise was also bolstered by a sharp increase in US Treasuries. Now the pair is aiming at the target level of 115.07. The Nikkei 225 is moving within the bearish channel, declining by 1.7%. So the yen may rise even more. Today, the pair is expected to trade within the boundaries of 114.97 and 115.12. It looks more like consolidation as the pair is hesitant now to pick up a further trajectory. The psychological levels are located at 115.00 on the upper border and at 113.33 on the lower border. However, if there is a trend reversal to risky assets, it may undermine the yen's rally. Yesterday, the US dollar index shed 0.04%, but the Aussie managed to benefit from this small decline. It gained 29 pips or 0.42%. Today, the AUD USD pair is climbing, heading for new peaks. It has already broken through the target level of 0.7227, rising to 0.7245. The next target level may be 0.7291. In case of a trend reversal, the 0.7193 level could be the downside target for the pair. The S&P and ASX 200 index keeps growing after breaking out of the downward channel. It added 0.62% today. The daily trading range of the AUD USD pair lies within the boundaries of 0.7220 and 0.7245. Apart from that, the Aussie is still trying to break above the resistance level. And that's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the latest market news. Feel free to leave your comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon.